we are going to see different parts of light microscope, also called as bright field microscope. This is a compound microscope and we are going to look at its different parts. So first part is body or head. So this is the head of microscope. It contains all the optical parts required to see a microorganism under this microscope. This is the base of the microscope. This base, it supports the microscope and it houses the illuminator. You can see here, this is known as illuminator from which light is going to come on the specimen. This is called as arm of the microscope. What this arm does is it connects the base and supports the head. So it is joining the head and base. So this is the work or function of arm. And it is also used to carry. So when you are going to carry the microscope, you are going to you're going to hold the arm and one hand under the microscope. So like this, you're going to lift. Okay. Then the next part is eyepiece or ocular. So this is known as eyepiece. So it can be of 10x or variable new options are there, 5x or 30x. So this is the magnification power of the eyepiece. So it is the thing that you look through. So here you're going to place your eye at the top and you're going to look through this eyepiece or ocular lens. So other name is ocular lens. Okay, then you have this eyepiece tube. This is known as eyepiece tube. It holds the eyepiece above the objective lens. So here it is, these are known as objective lens. This is eyepiece and the tube that is holding this both is known as eyepiece tube. Okay, then these are objective lenses. So you have objective lenses. So you can see there are different magnification powers written on this. So it is 10x, then 40, and this is 100x. So on this 100x it is written, it is requiring oil immersion. So when you are going to place oil on the slide, then only you are going to observe through this 100x lens. This is called as nose piece. Nose piece houses these three different objective lenses. So the work of nose piece is to hold these three different objective lenses and it rotates. So you can see how this rotates and it makes a particular noise when it is at the proper place. Then these are the knobs. So this is coarse knob which is used to lift the microscope from focusing, and this is the fine knob. You can see there are divisions on this knob which is for fine adjustment. That means when you focused the image, so to see it very clear, so getting the clarity is by this fine adjustment. Then this is the stage on which you are going to place your glass slide, right? This is called a stage. The stage has this stage clip which is used to hold the slide. Then these are the mechanical slide movers. So when your slide is here, you can move the slide. You want to see different fields, so you can move this by the two different ways. Even there are readings on this slide mover. Then this is called as aperture. You can see it is known as aperture. It is the hole in the stage through which the base light transmits. Okay, so from below the light will come through this aperture. Then you have illuminator. So here we have a mirror as illuminator. We have different microscopes where inbuilt light is there. I will show you that different microscope where we have a light source, and when you switch it on, the light it goes above. Then there is a condenser. So this is known as the condenser lens. What it does is it collects and focuses the light from the illuminator to the specimen. So the work of condenser is to focus light from illuminator to the specimen. Then you have iris diaphragm to change the light, the amount of light. So this is the iris diaphragm. You can see it closes and it opens the light source. So to control the amount of light reaching the specimen is the work of iris diaphragm. Then you have a condenser focusing knob. So you can move the condenser. There is a knob here, and this is known as a rack stop. So the length at which it the objective goes down is always controlled, so that you do not break the slide. You don't want the glass slide to break, so it is called as rack stop. It is inside the this tube, so you cannot see it right now. So these are the various parts of microscope.